Here is unit 1433. This is the A1O Hc. It is 702 square feet. This is a handicap accessible unit. So there are a couple of things that are gonna be a little bit different. Mostly in this kitchen area, you'll notice that the counters are just about 3 inches lower, and then the cabinets actually come down a little bit lower, but it's actually not noticeable. I always say if I wouldn't have told you it was handicap accessible, then you wouldn't have noticed. But this one sits on the 4th floor, facing north, looking out at the pool. It does still have great appliances as well. It's gonna have those GE Cafe appliances. It still has the induction stove top, and actually a really nice oven, some really cool features. It's a touch screen, so you have different features compared to some of the others. You got the oven hood. And then with this one, water dispenser is on the outside as opposed to on the inside like some of the others. So it's really cool. The screen lights up. It tells you how many ounces you're pouring. So it's a really cool setup. But due to the handicap accessibility, the kitchen is actually very long. So it does extend a little bit going into the living room area. So the living room's not as big, but still good space to fit a nice size couch and coffee table. Still have your TV mounted up if you wanted. The other big takeaway with this one is actually the washer and dryer. It does have a European style. So it's one machine with both functions, which is actually pretty nice because you don't have to worry about changing over your clothes. You can just do both settings in one machine. So that's the other big takeaway. And then you do still have some side shelving right here. And then of course, you don't have a walkout balcony. You do still have a Juliet balcony, which is also, again, facing north right here. So you can still see those high rises and you're still looking down at the pool. It's nice because we do have the water wall right here at the pool. So you can actually open this up and hear that relaxing waterfall sound that kind of has a resort feel. Bedroom is a good size as well. It's still gonna be that 12.5. This one's 12.5 by 10 as well. Maybe even a little bit bigger, maybe 13 by 10.5. And you still have the floor to ceiling windows here. Bathroom's a little bit different. The sink and toilet area are on its own side here. Just one sink instead of two. And then you do still have that standard step-in tub, glass shower surround. One really cool thing about this one is it has a really big closet. So you have awesome closet space in this one. You even have more behind the door here, and you still have the built-in dresser. So really great closet space with this one. And it sits again on the 4th floor. So it does have garage access, and it's not far from the elevator. And again, it has a nice relaxing view of the pool.